Hello and welcome to the Royal Victoria Docks beside the Thames in London. There on the other side of the dock, under the cover, is the brand new Jaguar XF. The car is going to make its way across this cold, deep, grey water on two tiny cables that's 34 millimetres wide. Nothing like this has ever been attempted before.
Test.
Please check all your systems. Stand by, team, get ready.
Yeah, all good here.
Very ready to go.
Ready, Kev?
On 3, 2, 1, travel. Very load readings now, please. 76, 78. Coming into halfway. Can we have a wind reading, please? Wind reading, 2.8 metres a second. Keep that load into 1.7, no lower. Okay, that's perfect, thank you. Coming up to 3/4 mark. Record, the record distance of a car on a wire. So well done, congratulations Jim, congratulations team.